Well, I'm checking here the block, and as we can see here, the cylinder 3 is washed down. So we see the carbon deposit on all of these, and that one is very clean. So I got my straight edge here, and my filler gauge, and well, the minimum I have on this gauge, filler gauge, is 6,000, as we can see there. And seemed like it didn't get bended, you know, that sometimes they get warp. But I went all over the place and I didn't see anything. So okay, we have the head gasket here in the position that one came out. Place it here. I don't really see something that called my attention here. Well, there is some of the material came off here. So okay, let's flip it over. And on this side, I don't see too much. So this one is a three pieces, you know, of gasket. So I'm gonna measure the cylinder head now and find out if that's gonna be rebuildable. Here we have the cylinder head. It's kind of dark now, but I got here. What is this? 7,000, and we can see here. I got some area where this one goes through very easy, like right here. Right here too, by cylinder 3. So this is why we couldn't resurface this. It's about 10,000 of an inch we have here, and the manufacturer said no more than 3 to machine this cylinder head.